Hey Ram 1500 enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. If you are looking to upgrade your truck's look and functionality, you have come to the right place. Today we are diving into the top 10 best side steps for your Ram 1500. Whether you need a stylish upgrade or something more rugged for off-road adventures, we have got you covered. Stick around as we explore top picks, features, and why these side steps are a must-have for your ride. Let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have Tyger Auto TG-AM 2D20078 Star Armor Kit. This kit is a robust option designed for the Ram 1500. Its heavy-duty construction features a unique patented design that combines both functionality and style. The Star Armor pattern provides a rugged look while offering a non-slip surface, ensuring safety during entry and exit. Crafted from durable steel, these running boards are coated with a rust-resistant layer, making them perfect for all weather conditions. The step pads are large and strategically placed, offering excellent grip and stability. Whether you are off-roading or just driving around town, the Tyger Auto Star Armor Kit is built to withstand the toughest conditions. Installation is straightforward with no drilling required. The kit includes all the necessary hardware and instructions, making it a hassle-free upgrade for your truck. If you are looking for a combination of strength, safety and style, the Tyger Auto Star Armor Kit is an excellent choice. Next up, we have the APS iBoard running boards. These running boards are known for their sleek, minimalist design that blends seamlessly with the Ram 1500's aesthetics. Made from aircraft-grade aluminum, they offer excellent durability without adding unnecessary weight to your vehicle. The 6-inch wide steps feature a non-slip rubber pad that runs the entire length of the board, providing a secure footing in all conditions. The brushed aluminum finish not only looks great but also resists rust and corrosion, ensuring these running boards will last for years. One of the standout features of the APS iBoard running boards is their ease of installation. They come with a set of brake kits specifically designed for the Ram 1500, allowing for a perfect fit and straightforward installation. If you are seeking a modern look with practical benefits, the APS iBoard running boards are a top pick. Coming in at number 3 is the MaxMate Quad Cap Stainless Steel Running Boards. These boards are a fantastic option for Ram 1500 owners looking for a blend of durability and style. These running boards are crafted from high-quality stainless steel, offering exceptional resistance to rust and corrosion. Their mirror-polished finish adds a touch of elegance to your truck, while the 5-inch wide steps provide a safe and secure platform. The rubberized step pads are designed to offer maximum grip, ensuring you can safely enter and exit your vehicle even in wet conditions. Installation is a breeze thanks to the custom-fit brake kits and hardware included with the kit. MaxMate has designed these running boards specifically for the Ram 1500, ensuring a snug fit and easy installation process. If you are after a stylish, durable and practical side step, the MaxMate Quad Cap Stainless Steel running boards won't disappoint. Next at number 4, we have AMP Research PowerStep 76239001A electric running boards. These boards automatically extend when you open your truck doors and retract when they close, offering convenience and a sleek look. Constructed from high-strength die-cast aluminum, these running boards are built to last. They feature a textured, powder-coated finish that resists corrosion and provides excellent traction. The integrated LED lights ensure visibility at night, adding an extra layer of safety. The installation involves some wiring, but the kit includes all necessary components and detailed instructions. The AMP Research PowerStep running boards not only enhance the functionality of your Ram 1500 but also give it a modern, high-tech appearance. The number 5 position is held by Tech Truck Pickup 4-inch oval black sidebars. These bars are a reliable and affordable choice for your Ram 1500. These sidebars are made from heavy-duty stainless steel and feature a black powder-coated finish, providing excellent resistance to rust and corrosion. The 4-inch oval shape offers a comfortable stepping area, while the non-slip step pads ensure secure footing. The sleek black design adds a rugged yet refined look to your truck, making it stand out on the road. Installation is straightforward with custom brake kits included for a perfect fit. The tech sidebars are designed to be both functional and aesthetically pleasing, making them a great addition to any Ram 1500. At number 6, we have the Tyger Auto TG-AM 2D20608 running boards. These boards offer a blend of strength and style. These running boards are constructed from durable stainless steel and feature a black powder-coated finish, ensuring they can withstand harsh weather conditions and heavy use. Their 5-inch wide steps provide ample space for safe entry and exit, while the textured step pads offer excellent grip. The design is sleek and modern, complementing the look of Ram 1500 perfectly. These running boards are easy to install with all necessary hardware included. Tyger Auto ensures a precise fit, making the TGAM 2D20608 running boards a reliable and stylish upgrade for your truck. The number 7 position is held by Tyger Auto TG-RS950078 riser running boards. These boards are designed to offer both durability and aesthetic appeal. Made from heavy-duty steel, these running boards feature a unique textured black finish that adds a rugged look to your Ram 1500. The 6.6-inch wide steps provide a secure platform with non-slip step pads ensuring safety. The riser design adds a distinct style element, making your truck stand out. These running boards are perfect for those who want a combination of functionality and visual impact. Installation is simple with no drilling required. The Tyger Auto TG-RS950078 riser running boards are a practical and stylish choice for enhancing your truck's accessibility and appearance. Moving on to the next at number 8 with MaxMate Custom Fit 2009 to 2018 Ram 1500 Crew Cab running boards. These boards are an excellent choice. These running boards are made from durable aluminum, offering a lightweight yet steady solution for your truck. The 5-inch wide steps feature a non-slip surface, ensuring safe entry and exit. The brushed aluminum finish resists rust and corrosion, maintaining its appearance over time. These running boards are designed specifically for the Ram 1500, ensuring a perfect fit and easy installation. MaxMate includes all necessary hardware and detailed instructions, making the installation process straightforward. These running boards are a great option for those looking for a custom fit and durable performance. At number 9, we have APS iBoard running boards 5 inches. These products are designed for those who prefer a sleek and minimalist look. Made from aircraft-grade aluminum, these running boards are lightweight yet incredibly durable. The 5-inch wide steps provide a comfortable and secure platform for entering and exiting your truck. The full-length rubberized step pads ensure excellent grip in all weather conditions. The brushed aluminum finish not only looks great but also offers resistance to rust and corrosion, ensuring long-lasting performance. These running boards are easy to install, with custom brake kits included for a perfect fit. The APS iBoard running boards are a stylish and practical addition to any Ram 1500. Last but certainly not least, at number 10, we have APS Drop Steps running boards Rocker Slider. These running boards are designed for off-road enthusiasts and those who need extra clearance and protection. Made from heavy-duty steel, they feature a black powder-coated finish that resists rust and corrosion. The drop step design provides easy access to your truck, while the textured step pads ensure secure footing. These running boards also double as rock sliders, offering additional protection for your vehicle's sides during off-road adventures. Installation is straightforward, with all necessary hardware included. The APS Drop Steps running boards are a versatile and durable option for those who demand more from their side steps. That wraps up our list of the 10 best side steps for the Ram 1500. Whether you are looking for style, durability or extra functionality, there's something on this list for everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our next video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.